Welcome back to a No Limit Trade. Today is Thursday 9:30, right? 9/5/2024. Pretty much today I just want to kind of explain how my student caught $1,000 today trading the Nasdaq and off of our calls in the group chat. Now, today we pretty much seen that from say Tuesday, right? We ended up reaching that level of sell side, breaking those lows. So I told the group chat, okay, now that we broke those lows, I would want to see some form of sellers get respected as a break and retest trade. Now, of course, you gotta wait and be patient for price to actually do those things for you to actually catch a move. And in this case scenario, now you can see in the hour time frame we're trading Hakanashis. In the hour time frame, if we go down into New York session, right? New York session was this session here. We seen that we started printing a bullish pattern, and then at 10 o'clock market, we ended up rallying up into those buy sides of the retest at the 125s, right? So, but however, what it left behind was this bottom top, right? So what that tells me is in a lower time frame, we've kind of just exponentially expanded from price, right? So that leaves behind liquidity, and normally when you're trading liquidity, it is what really drives the market. So I told him, or we said pretty much once you reach that level of the 120s, I would like to see the sell sides of those sellers. And he went ahead and entered a position at those levels, stop loss above those highs, and then the take profit could be a 2 to 1, or you could do it at those lows down here for a 3 to 1. So very, very simple and clean day to day. This is how I made $200 today with a $40 risk. Pretty much on, I left behind a lot on the table, but I'm not really stressing because everything's a probability game, and um, I just slow progress is better than no progress, and I don't really need to go crazy right now because um, with election coming up, uh, we don't want to get faked out or anything. So pretty much, I took 4 trades today. They were all sell positions. The first sell position was at the New York Open on the Dow Jones market. Right, we ended up catching those sellers, breaking those lower lows, reaching into the 882s. I did enter at the 441.0. I think it was 7 sevens, and then I closed out at the 49.3/4s. So more so like up here, right? Because our stop loss was secured. So that was the first trade. The second trade was the break out of this consolidation trend line. Pretty much entered on that sell side. We seen that the exhaustion kind of showed in the sellers, so I wanted to target those lower lows and entered a position here, right? And this was a $10 risk, $10 risk. Um, and then if we go back into price action, I ended up taking, I believe it was down here for a little quick one. It was up here because we consolidated that break and retest for a nice 2 to 1. I'm telling you, like a 2 to 1 is all you need. And then we took one more down here for the final end of the day, right? We took this trade at 2 o'clock. So these were the 4 trades that I took today. $10 risk, $10 risk, $10 risk, $10 risk. I believe I made, well, I could just show you. But to be full transparent, you know what I mean? Like, every day is not a trading day. The last 2 days, I lost money. So it's just the reality of it, right? It's just a matter of how you come back from those losses. So this is my P&L. I took 3 sells, right? this was kind of a break even. I got stopped out at my stop loss, and then price ended up going in that favor. So I got stopped out for $11, but I was risking $10. So it's still like a 1-to-1. And then I made 92 on the first position, 11 on the second, 47 on the third, and 54 on the fourth, for a total of 200 on the day. Right. Overall, we're down 256 on the account. Not bad. Within 4 trades, you see that we done made it back. So imagine if I was risking, instead of 10 position on one lot, I could have been risking 20 or $20 and then made more. So, but it's not necessarily a money aspect, right? Because if you're tied to the money, you're essentially gonna lose, and then you're not gonna see your progress. And in trading, you essentially wanna just be cohescent. I don't know how to really pronounce that word. About like the probabilities of price doing the opposite, because the market don't have to do what you want it to do, right? I definitely wanted the market to target some form of lower lows, right? Sweeping some lower liquidities down in this order down here, but as you can see, price never did that. So you just got to be open-minded to the probabilities of price not doing what you want. So, but other than that, I hope you found value within this market and within the breakdown from my students. And if you want to see full transparency, this is my student. I don't really know if you could see much, but that is $1,000. I also took this trade, $40 premiums for a $200 take. This dude also took a trade on NASDAQ. He took the counter trend trade, which is a little bit degenerate, but that's okay because that's what he's seen. So, other than that, he still closed out on a $60 profit. So just to show you, like, everything's transparent in the Discord. Everybody makes money, and everything is legit on this end. So if you guys found value within the trades, and if you want to learn how I trade and how or want to trade with my students, then make sure y'all go to my Instagram at Grimmy's TV and go inside the link. And in the link there is my server. It's only $75 a month, but as you see, you definitely get great value from it. But that is up to you. Nevertheless, I hope y'all guys enjoyed this session, and I will talk to y'all guys in the next one.